Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the physical basics: speakers or headphones plugged and the laptop's mute switch off. Next, open the system volume control from the taskbar or press FN plus volume up to reveal the interface. This is the first actionable step. Once visible, select the correct output device, internal speakers versus Bluetooth headset, because wrong output is the most common cause of no sound. Make sure device levels show activity before moving to software adjustments or app-specific volume. Now you refine sound inside the operating system. Open the volume mixer and raise or lower individual app sliders so streaming or conferencing apps aren't unintentionally quiet. Once done, open device properties and check enhancements like equalizer or virtual surround. Disable any conflicting effects that can reduce level. Also verify sample rate and exclusive mode in advanced settings because mismatched formats can silence audio. Make sure to test playback after each change so you can isolate which setting fixed the issue. Finish by confirming changes and retesting playback across apps. If you still hear nothing, restart the audio service or reboot the laptop to apply driver-level updates. If problems persist, update or roll back the audio driver from Device Manager. You should also repair Bluetooth devices and check codec compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: try an external USB DAC or wired headphones to determine whether the fault is hardware versus software. If external audio works, focus on internal speaker drivers or hardware connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.